will be ready in just a short while. Last call to place your bets. Swiss Mood. Now being loaded. All set now. Ready to race. Race number 1. The start of our winner take all event. Good luck to all of you. Racing just is started. We have taken first to show quickness at the start. Moving upon the outside, My Lady Hannah. All the reliable comes next. House of Riches alongside Swiss Mood, while Western Dancer is the early trailer. When going along for the first turn, we have My Lady Hannah. Moves up by about 3 lengths. And in second comes Take 10. Next online is All the Reliable. Western Dancer comes next. Moving upon the outside, House of Riches, while Swiss Mood is racing in 6. Down the backstretch they travel. We have My Lady Hannah maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Western Dancer sneaking at the inner rail. Take 10 comes next. Moving upon the outside is House of Riches. Then followed over by All the Reliable, while Swiss Mood is still running at the tail of the field. And Diana entering the home stretch. Western Dancer is down on the inside, and on the outside comes My Lady Hannah. Take 10 once again, moving upon the outside as they swing for home. Western Dancer moving upon the outside is Take 10. My Lady Hannah is down in third with about 150 meters more to run. Western Dancer, Take 10 moving upon the outside to take the lead, and finally it's Take 10. Western Dancer, My Lady Hannah, House of Riches. Then comes All the Reliable and Swiss Mood.